Handling client payments as a freelancer or contractor can be tricky. On one hand, you want to be paid fast and securely. On the other hand, you don't want to risk your personal bank details being shared or overexposed. That's why I turned to virtual cards from FotonCard. Now, I handle client payments like a pro. And today, I'll show you how. When I first started freelancing, I would ask clients to pay through platforms like PayPal or direct bank transfer. But every time I linked my personal bank or PayPal to a project, I felt exposed. And what happens if something goes wrong? A refund, chargeback, or fraud, my personal details are out there. Here's where FotonCard made the difference. I don't link my personal bank account or cards to any of my client work. Instead, I create virtual cards. Each client gets their own virtual card with a present amount or even a temporary limit. Once the project ends, I simply freeze or delete the card. This system creates a firewall between my personal funds and my business transactions. With FotonCard, you can create as many virtual cards as you need, one per client or per project. Set a spending limit to avoid overpayments or accidental charges. Get instant notifications for each transaction, keeping you in the loop. Even when clients need to pay you through a third-party platform, you can use a virtual card. That way, you can monitor payments closely. Let's talk about refunds. Imagine a client requests a refund, or something goes wrong with a payment. Since I use virtual cards, if there's ever an issue, it's not tied to my personal finances. This makes managing refunds and chargebacks a lot easier. Plus, if the client doesn't pay on time or cancels the project, I would be hit with additional fees because I've already set limits. Setting up FotonCard is quick. No paperwork required. No KYC. You sign up, top up your e-wallet, and start generating cards for each client. I've been using it for a while, and the peace of mind it provides is priceless. No more worrying about sharing my bank details with clients or worrying about fraud. Handling client payments securely is essential to your peace of mind. If you want the safest way to separate your personal finances from client transactions, use FotonCard. Get started now with my invitation code 161700 and start protecting your payments.